Welcome to DogsReader. Today, we're diving into a critical topic that every dog owner should be aware of: rabies. Rabies is a deadly viral disease that poses a threat not only to dogs, but also to humans worldwide. In this video, we'll break down what rabies is, its impact across the globe, and, most importantly, how you can protect your furry friend. Let's get started. Presented by DogsReader.com. Part 1. Understanding rabies. Rabies is a viral disease caused by the rabies virus, which affects the central nervous system of mammals. The virus is transmitted primarily through the bite or scratch of an infected animal. Once symptoms appear, rabies is almost always fatal. How the virus works. The rabies virus enters the body through broken skin or mucous membranes. It travels along the nerves to the brain, where it multiplies rapidly once it reaches the brain. It causes inflammation and severe neurological symptoms. Common symptoms in dogs: behavioral changes, aggression, anxiety, or excessive affection, drooling, and difficulty swallowing, paralysis, seizures, and ultimately death, according to Dr. Monica Murphy, a veterinarian and co-author of Rabid, A Cultural History of the World's Most Diabolical Virus. Rabies is one of the most preventable diseases, yet it continues to cause thousands of deaths globally every year. Part 2. Global impact of rabies. Rabies is a global health concern, particularly in Asia and Africa, where over 95% of human cases occur. The World Health Organization, who estimates that rabies causes around 59,000 human deaths annually, with dogs being the primary source of transmission. Key facts: children under 15 are most at risk. Stray dog populations contribute significantly to the spread. Rabies affects wildlife populations, including bats, raccoons, and foxes. Dr. Katie Hampson, a researcher at the University of Glasgow, notes, international collaboration is essential to eliminate rabies. Vaccinating dogs is the single most effective strategy. Part 3. Prevention and control measures. Preventing rabies involves a multifaceted approach, from vaccination to public awareness. Here's how you can help protect your dog and your community. Vaccination. Regular rabies vaccinations are crucial and often required by law. Puppies should receive their first rabies shot at around 12 to 16 weeks, with boosters as recommended by your vet. Monitoring and reporting avoid contact with stray. Public awareness campaigns educate children about the dangers of approaching unknown animals. Support community vaccination drives for stray dog populations. Post-exposure prophylaxis (PEP). If bitten by a potentially rabid animal, seek medical attention immediately. PEP involves a series of rabies vaccinations that can prevent the virus from reaching the brain. Part 4. Myths and misconceptions. Despite the severity of rabies, misinformation persists. Let's address some common myths. Myth 1. Rabies only affects stray dogs. Fact: any dog can get rabies if exposed to an infected animal, regardless of how well cared for they are. Myth 2. Rabies symptoms appear immediately. Fact: the incubation period varies, ranging from a few weeks to several months. Myth 3. Indoor dogs don't need rabies vaccinations. Fact: bats and other wildlife can sometimes enter homes, posing a risk even for indoor pets. Part 5. Global efforts to eradicate rabies. Numerous organizations, including the WHO, OIE, and GARC, Global Alliance for Rabies Control, have partnered to eliminate dog-mediated rabies by 2030. Key initiatives include mass dog vaccination programs, community education campaigns, improved access to rabies vaccines for both animals and humans. Dr. Sarah Cleaveland, a professor of comparative epidemiology at the University of Glasgow, explains, eliminating rabies requires global solidarity. Vaccinating 70% of the dog population can break the transmission cycle. Rabies remains a deadly yet preventable disease. By vaccinating our pets, spreading awareness, and supporting community initiatives, we can help create a safer world for both dogs and humans. Stay safe, stay informed, and give your dog the protection they deserve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here at DogsReader, where we bring you trusted, expert-backed insights about man's best friend.